We'll kickstart this edition with some news just coming in. Pune CP has confirmed India Today's news break. Grandfather of the Pune killer minor who was behind the wheels killing 2 people on the streets of Pune has now been arrested. Grandfather Surendra Agrawal threatened the driver. Minor's grandfather arrested for kidnapping and for threat. Killer minor's family tried to frame the driver here. He now has been arrested. The grandfather allegedly pressurized the driver to take the blame on him. He's now been arrested. The grandfather, Surendra Agrawal, threatened the driver as well, is what we are learning. The Pune CP, Commissioner of Police, has confirmed this development. The killer minor's father tried to frame the driver, asking him to take money and instead take the blame on himself, saying that he was in fact indeed behind the wheels and not the minor here. The driver refused to do so, and also in his investigations with the police revealed this information. And there was pressure on him. The pressure, Divyesh, was from the grandfather. The driver, during the course of the investigation, had told this to the police, and now the grandfather has been arrested.
Sneha, on Thursday, India Today TV was the first to report that there had been attempts to influence the probe, there had been attempts to destroy evidence, and that the driver, Mr. Gangaram, had given statement that he was at the wheel, he was driving the vehicle when the accident happened. Now, 2 days after that, Pune police comes out and says that the driver was pressurized, he was kidnapped, abducted, threatened, and also offered bribe to take the blame on himself and tell the police that he was the one driving the car when the accident happened. It was only after that, when the driver did not reach home, his family members, relatives gathered at the Agarwal's residence, protested over there and finally rescued him. Now this thing has come to light, and on basis of this complaint, Surendra Agrawal, the grandfather of the minor accused in the Porsche accident case, has been booked, has been arrested. Other than Surendra Agrawal, Vishal Agrawal, the father of the accused juvenile, has also been booked, and very soon a production warrant will be taken from the court as he is in magisterial custody. Remember, this is the 3rd FIR in this case, connected to this case, and then his custody will be sought. He will again be arrested. Yesterday, a court sent him to judicial custody in the Juvenile Act case. Today, he is again been booked in case of kidnapping, abduction and threatening towards their driver Gangaram to take the blame of driving the car when the accident happened. Sneha.
Divyesh Singh, thanking you for the moment, for getting us up to speed with those details. Remember, like Divyesh was saying, it was India Today's relentless coverage of the Pune Porsche horror that makes a big impact. The Pune police have now arrested Surendra Agrawal, grandfather of the accused teenager, for threatening the driver to take blame for the deadly crash. Yesterday, in yet another mega India Today impact, cops extended the accused minor's father's judicial custody also by 14 days. 2 Pune cops have been suspended for not informing seniors about the Porsche crash on time. The driver, in his complaint to the police, revealed the big cover-up plot. He told the police he was forced to accept that he was driving the Porsche on the fateful night when he wasn't. He was threatened of dire consequences by the teenager's grandfather if he wouldn't agree to the crime. So this was not just a request to take over, in fact, to take the blame on him, but a threat for which the grandfather stands arrested. Now, as the chorus for justice grows, the big question remains the same. Will the 17-year-old brat who knocked down 2 techies be tried as an adult?
ड्राइवर को दिन भर पुलिस स्टेशन में विचारपूछ किया गया था। ड्राइवर को रात में 11 बजे के आसपास जब पुलिस स्टेशन से छोड़ा गया तो ड्राइवर घर जाना चाहता था, परंतु आरोपी ने उसको जबरदस्ती अपनी गाड़ी में बैठाया और अपने घर पे ले गए। वहां पे ले जाने के बाद उसका मोबाइल उन्होंने उससे छीना और अपने ताबे में लिया और इसको वहां पे कमरे में बंद करके उसको पहले प्रलोभन और उसके बाद दबाव, दमदाटी, इस प्रकार की उसको कंडक्ट की गई। अगले दिन दोपहर तक जब वो घर नहीं पहुंचा तो उसकी वाइफ और उसके बच्चे और नातेवाईक खोजते हुए इनके आरोपी के घर पे पहुंचे और उन्होंने वहां पे थोड़ा सा हंगामा किया और उन्होंने इसको ड्राइवर को जबरदस्ती वो कंपनी का कपड़ा उतार दो और तुमको इनकी नौकरी करने की जरूरत नहीं है, इस प्रकार का कह के उसको वो वहां से ले गए। ड्राइवर अत्यंत घबराए हुए वातावरण में था। उसको परसों रात को क्राइम ब्रांच ने ट्रेस करके लाया था। उसकी स्टेटमेंट प्राथमिक हुई जिसमें इस प्रकार की स्टेटमेंट उसकी सामने आई थी। कल उसकी प्रिलिमिनरी कोरोबोरेशन की गई। इस मैटर में जब पहले दिन एक्सीडेंट हुआ था तो ड्राइवर पे को आमिष शुरुआत में रात में दिखाया गया था कि उसको बख्शीश दी जाएगी, उसको रिवॉर्ड किया जाएगा, उसको पैसे दिए जाएंगे, उसको मुंह मांगा रकम दिया जाएगा। वो खुद गाड़ी चला रहा था, ऐसा प्रकार का बयान वो पुलिस स्टेशन में दे। इस तरह की उसको दबाव टेलीफोनिकली और उसके बाद प्रत्यक्ष लोगों ने आके इसको दिया था। प्राथमिक जो जवाब पुलिस स्टेशन में ड्राइवर ने दिया था वो गाड़ी चला रहा था, इस प्रकार का बयान उसने दिया था। लेकिन उस रात पुलिस स्टेशन ने जो खातिरी की थी उनका निष्कर्ष हुआ था कि ये गाड़ी लहान जुवेनाइल आरोपी चला रहा है, इसलिए उसके विरुद्ध 304 का गुना दाखिल हुआ था।
Innocent lives gone. One VVIP brat who killed them. And his family trying to pull out all stops to save him from facing the law. India Today's news break has been confirmed by the Pune police that there was indeed a bit to frame the driver in the Porsche crash. He was offered rather a hefty sum to say that it was him behind the wheel and not the 17-year-old accused teen.
A 300-word essay as a bail condition for the 17-year-old Porsche driver who took 2 young lives with his reckless driving has disgusted the entire country and brought national attention to the Pune incident.
India Today continues its coverage of the deadly Porsche crash. Public outrage is mounting and pressure growing on the police. The accused juvenile in conflict with law's bail has been revoked and he's been remanded to a juvenile justice center till the 5th of June. The family is mounting their defense. Their driver initially claimed he was driving when that fatal accident took place. But the evidence gathered by the police disproved this claim.
हमारे जांच में ये स्पष्ट आया है कि ये जो जुवेनाइल एक्यूज्ड है यही गाड़ी चला रहा था और इसके लिए क्रोनोलॉजिकली जो एविडेंस जरूरी थे वो एविडेंस इकट्ठा किए गए हैं। उदाहरण के तौर पे जब वो घर से निकला था उसके घर के सिक्योरिटी गार्ड के पास की जो रजिस्टर है उसमें पहली एंट्री है कि ये लड़का, ये आरोपी ये गाड़ी लेके निकला है।
Forensic investigations have turned the case against the family. The police suspect the driver was paid to take the blame.
आरोपी जुवेनाइल हे गाडी चालवत नव्हता, काही दुसरा कोणी गाडी चालवत होता, अशा प्रकारची काही गोष्टी करण्याची प्रयत्न झाली होती, ज्यावर जे पोलिसांनी निष्फल म्हणजे होऊ दिला नव्हता। परंतु ती जी अटेम्प्ट पण झाली होती ती अटेम्प्ट टू डिस्ट्रॉय एव्हिडन्स चे कलमपण चे दृष्टिकोनातून पण आम्ही तपास करत आहोत।
Action is also pending against a senior police inspector and his deputy from Yerwada who failed to inform the control room after arriving at the scene. The accused teen's father, arrested in Sambhaji Nagar and now in police custody, claims he was unaware of his son's drinking. The father insists he's being falsely implicated. But the police have evidence that the teen spent 69,000 rupees on alcohol in bars before the accident. A case has also been filed against the bars for serving liquor to a minor. The police are building a strong case against the Agarwals and have asked the Juvenile Justice Board to try the accused as an adult.
हमने जुवेनाइल जस्टिस बोर्ड के पास एप्लीकेशन रिवीजन के लिए फाइल किया था, जिसमें इस जुवेनाइल को एडल्ट की तरह ट्राई किया जाए और इसको रिमांड होम में भेजा जाए। आज ऑपरेटिव ऑर्डर अभी हमको कम्युनिकेट किया गया है, उसको 14 दिन के लिए 5 जून तक रिमांड होम में भेजा गया है। एडल्ट के बारे में जो एप्लीकेशन हमारी थी उसके बारे में भी ऑर्डर नहीं आया है। डिटेल्स जो भी होगा हम आपको बताएंगे।
But the case reveals failures at multiple levels, from the pub to law enforcement, leading to 2 lives lost due to reckless drunk driving, allegedly by an underage unlicensed teen. Bureau Report, India Today.
And it was India Today's relentless coverage of the Pune Porsche horror that has made a big impact. We're talking about the very latest development where the Pune police have arrested Surendra Agarwal, grandfather of the accused teenager, for threatening the driver to take blame for the deadly crash. Yesterday, in yet another mega India Today impact, cops extended the accused minor's father's judicial custody also by 14 days. 2 Pune police cops have also been suspended for not informing the seniors about the Porsche accident, about the crash on time. The driver in the complaint to the police has revealed the big cover-up plot. He told the cops he was forced to accept that he was driving the Porsche on the fateful night. He was threatened of dire consequences by the teenager's grandfather if he would not agree to the crime. Now, as the chorus for justice grows, the big question remains the same. Will the 17-year-old accused brat who knocked down 2 techies be tried as an adult?
ड्राइवर को दिन भर पुलिस स्टेशन में विचार पूछ किया गया था। ड्राइवर को रात में 11 बजे के आसपास जब पुलिस स्टेशन से छोड़ा गया तो ड्राइवर घर जाना चाहता था, परंतु आरोपी ने उसको जबरदस्ती अपनी गाड़ी में बैठाया और अपने घर पे ले गए। वहां पे ले जाने के बाद उसका मोबाइल उन्होंने उससे छीना और अपने ताबे में लिया और इसको वहां पे कमरे में बंद करके उसको पहले प्रलोभन और उसके बाद दबाव, दमदाटी इस प्रकार की उसको कंडक्ट की गई। अगले दिन दोपहर तक जब वो घर नहीं पहुंचा तो उसकी वाइफ और उसके बच्चे और नातेवाईक खोजते हुए इनके आरोपी के घर पे पहुंचे और उन्होंने वहां पे थोड़ा सा हंगामा किया और उन्होंने इसको ड्राइवर को जबरदस्ती वो कंपनी का कपड़ा उतार दो और तुमको इनकी नौकरी करने की जरूरत नहीं है, इस प्रकार का कह के उसको वो वहां से ले गए। ड्राइवर अत्यंत घबराए हुए वातावरण में था। उसको परसों रात को क्राइम ब्रांच ने ट्रेस करके लाया था। उसकी स्टेटमेंट प्राथमिक हुई जिसमें इस प्रकार की स्टेटमेंट उसकी सामने आई थी। कल उसकी प्रिलिमिनरी कोरोबोरेशन की गई।